all on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you need no. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flipping, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing air fryer garlic bread pepperoni pizza. So the first thing you want to do is get you a can of San Marzano tomatoes, and that is a 12-ounce can. And then you're going to get some Alchemy Spice, the Italian blend, or you can use your favorite Italian blend of choice, but Alchemy is local here in Chattanooga, so I'm using that. Then I'm using some Lawry's garlic salt and then some onion powder. And we're just going to make like this fake almost marinara sauce. So we're going to use the bag of Alchemy Italian blend to make this marinara sauce, and this marinara sauce is gonna kind of pair well with the garlic bread. That's why I'm doing it this way. So from that Alchemy pack, we're gonna add the onion powder and then the garlic salt, and you do that pretty much to preference, your choice, depending on how you like your marinara sauce. But like I said, that marinara sauce is just gonna stand out with that garlic bread. And then I got some fresh mozzarella, and what I'm gonna do with that is grind it down, but you could use you can use regular mozzarella. You don't have to use fresh mozzarella. You can use low moisture mozzarella. It's pretty much up to you. The preference is up to you. All right, so from that marinara sauce, we're gonna actually add a little sprinkle of salt at the end, and then some sugar just to finish it and just to balance it out. We're not adding enough sugar to make it sweet, but we add enough sugar that'll take the bitter taste from the San Marzano tomatoes. All right, from there we're gonna go ahead and make our garlic butter, and that's some non-salted sweet cream butter. Unsalted sweet cream butter. And we're gonna add some garlic sauce, some garlic powder, and some granulated onion to that mix with some dry parsley, and that's our garlic butter. All right, we're gonna take our hoagie rolls that we used in our po' boy video, and we're gonna slice them in half, and this is the hoagie roast that we're actually going to turn into the garlic bread. Now you could buy your garlic bread of choice. If you wanted to use the Texas toast, you could buy that, but I'm just using things that I have on hand to make this recipe, and it's cheaper this way. You already got these ingredients, just turn them and transform them into something different. So slather that garlic butter all on that bread, and then we're gonna pop it directly into the air fryer. And I got the air fryer at 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm actually gonna cook these garlic breads for 6 minutes just to toast them up. After 6 minutes, this should be nice and toasty. And you're gonna take your marinara sauce and pop it on top of that garlic bread. And then from that, you're gonna actually add the cheese onto that garlic bread. So make sure you get the marinara on there first, and then you go ahead and add that cheese on there. Like I said, I'm using fresh mozzarella, but you can use low moisture. It's pretty much your preference and up to you. All right, so you're gonna pop that mozzarella cheese onto that garlic bread, and kind of just spread it out and pile how much ever on there you want. And then from there, we're gonna add the pepperonis. Now you want to make sure the pepperonis on every piece of this bread, like every piece of the surface, because as it cooks in the air fryer, the pepperonis are gonna kind of shrink. And if you spread them out, now you're gonna see like little holes into the pepperoni pieces. So you want to make sure that you fill this thing up with pepperoni. And then you don't have to do this part, but I like to. I always just take some cheese and top it on top of my pepperoni, because I like when the cheese brown up a little bit, but it's pretty much your preference. And then you're gonna pop these directly into the air fryer, and these are gonna cook in the air fryer at 370 degrees for another 6 minutes. So these pieces are gonna take 12 minutes total. So pop them back in the air fryer and let it go for an additional 6 minutes at 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, man. The most amazing air fryer garlic bread pepperoni pizzas from the Bistro. These are something simple you can do for the kids, or the kids can do for themselves, and you don't have to watch it, man. But I thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. The most incredible pizza from the Bistro, the air fryer garlic bread pepperoni pizza. Yeah, man, delicious. I'll catch you on the flip side. I'm out.